Hey guys, this is Mr. Mathing. Let's go over version B. We have to show all of our work. Okay, the key in this problem is to know that the key, or what number you put in, is inside the parentheses. And then notice students are struggling with where to put the parentheses, so it might help to just put this around it. So I have f of, now every x value is -2. Okay, this one confuses students, so make that very bold or clear. Okay, PEMDAS tells us that we're going to be doing exponents first. Okay, why not that negative sign is because that's a -1. That'd be multiplication. So -2 squared is -2 times -2. And my answer for that is +4. So this is equal to 4. And then you still have that minus sign. And that becomes -6. So you have -4 minus 6, which is -10 is your answer, which is A. Okay, number 2. Solve it. I notice a lot of students are trying to guess and check, which is fine, but we have algebra here. The algebra for this problem is you go this direction when you are solving, or this direction if you are simplifying. So draw a line down the equal sign, and it might help to know that this is a chunk. So we're first going to do addition and subtraction first. So I'm going to subtract 7, bring this down, 4x, that becomes 0, minus 12. Then I'm going to do multiplication. So I see multiplication, so I'm going to do the opposite, which is division. So divide by 4 on both sides. X is equal to -12. So that would be choice, not -12, -3. Hey, at least I caught my mistake. -3, and that would be choice A. Okay, number 3, simplify the square root of 72. You might want to write out all the factors. And you'll notice on this side, on the right side, is a smaller number, and I'm just kind of counting up from 1. 1, 2, 3, that goes in twice. 24, doesn't go in 4. 4 divided by 7 is 1, 32 is 8. 6 goes in 1, 12 times. And then I think a lot of you guys are going to do 9 times 8. Now, although 9 is a perfect square, right, has 9 squares in there, the biggest one or the best one is actually 36. 36 little squares, that means both the sides are 6s. So a lot of you guys are also getting in mistakes when you're not doing the factoring tree and then draw a square root for the next line. So 72 is then 36 times 2. And the trouble a lot of you guys are getting into is not, so the next line would be the 36 is 6 times 6, but in the same line, I have 6 times 6 times 2. My pair is the 6, they come out, but it's only one number. So you're left with 6 radical 2. That is my answer, so that would be choice C. Let's go to the back side. Okay, PEMDAS, let's just copy and paste that from what I just taught you from below. And now I want it, let's see if I can even move it. Uh-oh, I lost it. Just rewrite it. Okay, so now I'm going down because I'm simplifying. You see the word simplify? Okay, a lot of students are probably going to do -2 3 times, but remember, it's okay. It's actually the same if you do something like this. -1, 2 to the 3rd power. Okay, it's not -2 3 times. It's 2 3 times. and that would give you 8, right? Because that would be 4, and then that would be 8. So pay attention, it's 8, and this is still -1. Okay, this one tells you that it's going to be -3. Notice how it's in the parentheses, so that's why you know the negative is written twice. So that would be a +9. So whatever your answer is, just put +9 and then times 2. Okay, so then I'm going to do, we just took care of parentheses and exponents, now I'm going to do multiplication and division. So I'm first going to go left to right, so that would be -8. Then I'm going to do that one, which would be 18. It's positive, so that's why I'm putting a positive. And then this would just give you a +10 as your answer. Okay, number 5. I have X, I have Y. So that means I'm going to put those values in for each. So if Y is -4, then I'm putting it over here, -4. Let's put it. Okay, I have this minus sign, so just put that. And now my X value is 1. So let's go ahead and put a 1 in there. Okay, now we are simplifying using PEMDAS. So here, you're going to do the exponent first. 1 times 1 is 1. So I have -4 equals -1 times 1 minus 3. So this would be -4 equals -1 minus 3, and that would be -4 equals -4. And then when it says check, that's either a yes or no, or true or false. The answer is true. At least we got it recorded. Okay, last problem. Okay, anytime you see the, you're gonna have to distribute here. So 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, remember on one side of the equation, you were just adding or combining like terms, so that would become 8, 2. So 3x plus 2 equals 2x plus 8. Now when you're going across the blue line, or across the equal sign, that's when I'm doing opposites. I'm just going to make a note, no opposites over here, because you're not going across the line. So minus 2x here, because they both have x's. 3 minus 2 is 1x. This comes down. That is 0x or 0, and that is 8. Subtract 2. X equals 6 is your answer. See you guys there. Bye.